Alright. Well, I'm gonna rap my new song to you. And you're gonna tell me what you think. The flow is kind of difficult. I'm only gonna be doing probably until I mess up, because I haven't gotten it down yet. But this song means a lot to me, and I just wrote the lyrics that I have so far, so pretty excited. And yeah, this is the beat. Here we go. Look into the darkness to find another place that I can call home for a while, reminiscing a dreamy, unforgettable echo wherever you are, no matter how far I can hear it, like the trees that pass by both ways outside of my window, in the middle of the night, in the middle of the day. Every time that one name, pictures in the mirror disappear, hold them dear when they're near, block them off and when they're gone, so no one has anything left of the song. What's wrong? You hurt? You lost these words? I didn't know I was bad to begin with. Did you even think about no first? Oh shit. Okay, well. Yeah, anyways, that is my flow for this song, and I'm pretty excited. It's supposed to be over first, think it over first, but I should think about it, and I noticed that, and it's fucked up, so my bad. But anyways, yeah, the next part is where I have the most difficulties right now, but I should get this out and going soon, get this done, so I can work on it with someone. But yeah. Alright, thanks for watching.